Welcome back to Dennis Simplifies. In this video, you'll be swapping the values in two variables without an additional variable. As usual, the algorithm first and then the code. So, let's simplify. Without using any additional variables or variables to x and y, devise an algorithm that can be used to interchange the content of two variables x and y. Use initial values of x and y to be 10 and 20 respectively to go through your solution and see if the new values of x and y are now 20 and 10 respectively. So let's visualize. Let's take, as the question said, x to be 10 and y to be 20. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to sum these values and store them in one variable. So I'm going to add a 10 to the 20 and store them in one of these variables. So I'll say x, I'm storing it in x. So I say x equals x plus y, which is going to give me 30. Because 10 plus 20 is 30. The next thing I'm going to do is that in this x equals x plus y, I am going to take this y away. Now when I take the y away, what will be left? I'll have only x left over here. Now with only the x left over here, I'm going to take that x and store it in y. So I'll say y equals x minus y. Now when we do the computation, it's going to be 30 minus 20, which is 10. Then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this x variable here. Now with x, we have x, the top x to be 30 and the down y to be 10. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the top x, which is 30, and subtract the y, which is 10 now, from it. So I get x equals x minus y, which will give me 20. And when we look at the values now, you can see y is now 10 and x is 20. And from the question, x was 10 and y was 20. You see, they've been interchanged. Let's go to the algorithm. So I'll set x to be equal to x plus y, y equals x minus y, x equals x minus y. Then I should print the swap, which is going to, so after I entered the numbers, you see, I'll print them to see whether they've been swapped or not. Let's convert it to code in C++. So the same thing, I initialize double of x and y to be 10 and 20 respectively. Then I display to the user the values of x and y to be 10 and 20. Then I perform the algorithm that is going to swap the values. Then after swapping, I'll tell the user swap. Then I'll display the current values of x and y now after I perform this algorithm. Then I end the code with system pulse greater than 0, which will ensure that only the needed information is displayed when we run our code, and then return 0 by custom. Let's see how it swaps or interchanges the values. So you see x was 10, y was 20, and after the swap, x is now 20 and y is 10. So guys, that's it. Let's make use of the comment section. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, apart, yeah.